Hi, so in this video, we are gonna look at how to record or rather edit your audio so that it sounds as if you were speaking through a phone. So I've got this sample pre-recorded already. Let's play it. Hi, I would like to order a large pepperoni pizza with some jalapenos. Right, now you're gonna want to mark it and we're gonna go to Effect and Graphic EQ. And we're gonna attenuate the frequencies here as to represent what it actually sounds in, when you're using a phone. And the key here is removing certain frequencies that do not add anything to the clarity. Because the way phones are made, they emphasize frequencies that are responsible for the clarity, so that when you're speaking through a phone, it always sounds clear. However, that removes a lot of the low-end frequencies. So we're just gonna replicate that through equalizer. Right, so in terms of low-end frequencies, you want to remove a lot of the frequencies right up to the 500 hertz mark, and at the high end, I would go as high as 5k hertz, and we're gonna preview that. Hi, I would like to order a large pepperoni pizza with some. All right, I would maybe even like to remove even more, maybe, and maybe we're gonna even add a bit in these in this range. Hi, I would like to order a large pepperoni pizza with some. Right, that sounds about perfect. The only other thing I would like to do is just apply amplification so that it sounds a bit louder. Hi, I would like to order a large pepperoni pizza with some jalapenos. That's perfect.